Good morning, students. Today I am going to start Unit 3. Come on, keep the heading Unit 3 Diagonalization. Unit 3 Diagonalization. Yes, last unit. Okay, Unit 3 Diagonalization. Come on, write the definition. Start reading diagonalization. A square matrix A is said to be diagonalizable. A square matrix A is said to be diagonalizable. A square matrix A is said to be diagonalizable if A is similar to diagonal matrix. If A is similar to diagonal matrix. A square matrix A is said to be diagonalizable if A is similar to diagonal matrix. That is D is equal to PA P inverse. D equal to PA P inverse, or you can write one more also, P inverse AP. P inverse AP. Here P is invertible matrix. Here P is invertible matrix. So once here see, a square matrix A is said to be diagonalizable if it is similar to diagonal matrix. What are the condition means? D equal to PA P inverse, or you can say P inverse AP. Of course, here P is invertible matrix. That's all. Just come and copy it. Just you have to satisfy this condition. Then we say A is diagonalizable to diagonal matrix D. Just copy it. Yes, now problem. Come on, copy the question. If D equal to 5003, if D equal to 5003, find the power of diagonal matrix. Find the power of diagonal matrix. Find the power of diagonal matrix. Come right. Solution. Given D equal to 5003. I am going to find D square. D square nothing but D into D. 5003 times 5003 equal to first row, first column we have to multiply. First row with first column, 5 5 is 25 plus 0 into 0, 0, 25. First row with second column, 5 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 3, 0. Second row first column, 0 into 5 plus 0, 3 into 0, 0 only, and again we getting 9, we getting 25, 0, 0, 9. I can write this equation matrix as 5 square, 0, 0, 3 square. 5 square, 0, 0, 3 square. Now I am going to find d cube. D cube nothing but d square into d. D cube nothing but d square into d. Already we have d square. 25, 0, 0, 9 times d 5, 0, 0, 3. Come on, multiply it. First row with first column. 25 into 5, 125 plus 0 into 0, 0 only. First row, first column is over. First row, second column. 25 into 0 plus 0 into 3, 0. And this is 0. This is 27. 27. 125, 125, 0, 0, 27. So I can write this one as 5 cube, 0, 3, 3 cube. So once here see clearly d 5003 d square 5 square 0 0 3 square 5 square 0 0 3 square d cube 5 cube 0 0 3 cube. That's all. So we simply if you observe here we getting 5 power, whenever d square is there 2 is there, whenever d cube is there power as 3 is there. So therefore I can write d power k equal to power of diagonal matrix. We have to write d power k is equal to 5 power k 0 0 3 power k. That's all. Come right. Therefore d power k is equal to 5 power k 0 0 3 power k. Of course for all k greater than or equal to 1. That's all. For all k greater than or equal to 1. So once here see, he gave d equal to 5003 he gave. We have to find power of a diagonal matrix. We have to find power of a diagonal matrix. Nothing but we have to find d power k. We have to find diagonal matrix. So already is given 5003. We calculate d square. Simply we got diagonal elements 5 square 3 square we got. Whenever did d cube we got 5 cube 3 cube. So similarly I can say d power k equal to 5 power k 0 0 3 power k for all k greater than or equal to 1. That's all. Just come on, copy it. Yes. And now second question. Now copy the second question. Yes. Let a equal to second question. Okay. Okay. Let a equal to 7 2 minus 4 1. Let a equal to 7 2 4 minus 4 1. Find the formula for a power k. Find the formula for a power k. Find the formula for a power k given that a equal to p d p inverse. A equal to p d p inverse where p equal to 1 1 minus 1 2, 1 1 minus 1 2, D equal to 5 0 0 3, D equal to 5 0 0 3. So come on, let A equal to 7 2 minus 4 1. Find the formula for A power k, given that A equal to PD P inverse, where P equal to 1 2 minus 1 2 and D equal to 5 0 0 3. Yes, first we check whether this P is invertible or not. P is invertible, or then we can find A equal to PD P inverse, but we have to derive A power k. Actually A power k equal to P D power k P inverse. A power k equal to P D power k P inverse. That condition also we are going to prove. Then later we will write the matrix A power k. Come on, write. Solution. Given A equal to 7 2 minus 4 1, P equal to 1 1 minus 1 2, P equal to 1 1 minus 1 2, D equal to 5 0 0 3, 5 0 0 3. Come right. Yes. So given A equal to 7 2 minus 4 1, P equal to 1 1 minus 1 2, D equal to 5 0 0 3. Come right. Given A equal to P D P inverse, let it be equation number 1. Given A equal to P D P inverse. Now come on, consider A square, A power 2, A power 2, because we have to find A power k, we have to find. So I am going to generalize. I am going to generalize it. So A power 2 I am finding. A power 2 nothing but PD P inverse into PD P inverse. PD P inverse times PD P inverse equal to PD P inverse into P D P inverse. Now P inverse P is identity matrix. P inverse P is identity matrix. So equal to P D, I can write D P inverse, I can write P D I matrix, I identity matrix, D P inverse. So I can write A square equal to P into D square P inverse. Equation number 2. A square is equal to P D square P inverse. Now I am going to find A cube also. A power 3. Come on, right. A power 3 equal to A power 3. A power 3 nothing but I can write A square into A. A square into A. A square into A equal to A square already we have. P D square P inverse. P D square P inverse. This is A square into A. Into A means already we have P D P inverse. P D P inverse. Come on, multiply it. P D square P inverse into P D P inverse P D square P inverse P another identity matrix D P inverse. So therefore A cube is equal to P D cube P inverse. Equation number 3. If you observe here, A equal to P D P inverse, A square equal to P D square P inverse, A cube is equal to P D cube P inverse. Similarly, A power k equal to P D power k P inverse. That's all. This is final one. Therefore, A power k equal to P D power k P inverse. Come on, copy up to here. Now, already we have P. I am going to find P inverse. I am going to find P inverse first. Yes, come right. So, A power k is equal to P D, P power k is over. Now, we have P equal to 1 1 minus 1 2. Come on, find the inverse of this one. We have P equal to 1 1 minus 1 2. Let's copy it up to that. Yes. Therefore, P inverse equal to 1 by AD minus BC, 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 into 1, minus 1 over D minus B minus C A. C D minus B minus 1 minus C minus B minus plus 1 A over, and simplify it, 2 plus 1 3. So 1 by 3 times of 2 minus 1 1 1 is the answer. This is P inverse. Come on, copy it. P inverse is equal to 1 by 3 times of 2 minus 1 1 1. Once here, see, actually the P is, small changes are here. Actually P is 1 1 minus 1 minus 2. Come on, change in the question also. P equal to 1 1 minus 1 minus 2. So AD 1 into minus 2 minus BC. Okay, I'll do it once again to get more clear. P inverse is equal to 1 by 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 of D minus B minus C A. That's all. And now here 1 by minus 2 plus 1 of minus 2 minus 1 1 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So obviously 2 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is P inverse. Therefore, P inverse equal to 2 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now I have to find A power k. A power k is P D power k P minus 1. Come on, right. Therefore, A power k equal to P D power k P inverse. Therefore, A power k equal to P D power k P inverse. S equal to P. Already we have P value 1 1. Okay, I'll write here. A power k equal to P. We have 1 1 minus 1 minus 2. D power k, diagonal already we have 5003 we have 5003 d power k, nothing but 5 power k 0 3 power k, 5 power k 0 0 3 power k into p inverse. P inverse is 2 1 minus 1 minus 1, 2 1 minus 1 minus 1 equal to product of two matrices. We have to do it. First I will do this two matrices product, then I will go for this one, or first you can do this one and later product. Okay, first I will do these two matrices first. Come on, first row with first column 1 into 5 power k 5 power k plus 1 into 0 0, so simply getting 5 power k. First row with second column 1 into 0 plus 1 into 3 power k 3 power k. Second column minus 1 to 5 power k minus 5 power k over minus 1 to 0 minus 2 into 3 power k, minus 2 into 3 power k times, again write 2 1 minus 1 minus 1. Again I have to multiply it. Come on, 5 power k into 2, nothing but 2 into 5 power k minus 1 into 3 power k 3 power k. First row with first column over. Now first row with second column 5 power k into 1 5 power k minus 3 power k. This one minus 2 times of 5 power k minus into minus plus 2 1 ja 2 2 into 3 power k. Next minus 5 power k into 1 minus 5 power k minus into minus plus 2 times of 3 power k, 2 times of 3 power k. That's all. This is a power k. So once you are seeing, the question is already he gave a and he gave the relation that a equal to PD P inverse. A equal to PD P inverse, already he gave the condition. He asked to find a power k. He asked to find a power k. A power k nothing but we have P d power k P inverse we have already, we derived that one. So simply substituted P matrix d power k matrix, I mean diagonal to power k and P inverse. Product of these three matrices we did, we got this is answer. So therefore a power k equal to, that's, scope it. Yes, similarly we have one more problem. We have to compute a power k. Come on, do it. Problem 3. Yes, problem 3. Use the factorization. Use the factorization a equal to 3411 into 2001 into minus 1 4 1 minus 3 minus 1 4 1 minus 3. A equal to 3410 2001 minus 1 4 1 minus 3. Compute a power k. Compute a power k for any positive integer k. Compute a power k for any positive integer k. Compute a power k for any positive integer k. Come right. Solution. We have to find a power k. We have to find a power k. If you observe here, he gave that a equal to p d p inverse. A equal to p d p inverse. Nothing but this is p and this is d and this is p inverse. You can write a p d matrices. You can write a p d matrices. From that you can find a power k, because we know that a is similar to diagonal matrix means a power k is equal to p d power k p inverse. A is similar to d means d equal to p a power k p inverse. Using that condition we can find a power k. So simply we will compare a equal to p d p inverse. Of course the next class will continue. So once again listen here. Today we discussed, actually we started unit 3. Unit 3, the topic is diagonalizable or diagonalization. A square matrix A is said to be similar. A square matrix A is said to be similar to a diagonal matrix if it satisfies the condition D equal to P A P inverse. D equal to P A P inverse or P inverse A P. Then we say A is similar to D. A is similar to D. That's all. And now, whenever this condition is there, we can find d power k. We can find d power k, or you can find a power k also. Whatever we require, that we can find. Of course, here d equal to p a p inverse or a equal to p d p inverse, both are same. D equal to p a p inverse or a equal to p d p inverse, both are same only. His one is similar to d. A is similar to d, or we can say d is similar to a, both are same. So you can write any condition, you can write depending on our requirement. If we require d power k, if you want d power k, then we can write d equal to p a p inverse. P a power k p inverse. If you want a power k, we can write a power k equal to p d power k p inverse. That's all. In the next class, we'll continue this problem. Thank you.